Hello and welcome to deploythis.com. This is the first blog post, hopefully of many, but then who knows. And it's a video post, as most of them are going to be, because that's the way we're going to roll. I'm just not into all that screenshot palaver. Okay, so this post is about streamthis.vbs, this little VBScript here. Now what this will do is it will add applications, sequenced applications to the client, and it will delete them from the client. You need a copy of streamthis.vbs in the same directory as your sequenced app, particularly the manifest, the XML file, and obviously the SFT. It has to the sequenced app has to have an XML because it uses the SFT command, and it uses the XML file in there. The manifest file, so it must be a application that's been sequenced with 4.5, so the XML is in there. Streamthis VBS will also add the permissions. So I'm just going to zero this out. So in here, this is left behind from when I tested before. We've got no permissions now, and if we go into the client, we go in here, we've got no permissions. We can't do anything. We can't add applications and we can't delete applications. I just thought that some people might not know what permissions were needed. There might be an admin on the machine, but they might not know where to go to switch these things on, especially the allow independent file streaming. And I just figured that as opposed to just writing in the VBScript, go here and switch this on, blah 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 blah, I might as well add in there the ability to switch all this on with a switch. So if we open up a shell as an admin, /p, refresh, that gives us our permissions and also gives us our allow independent file streaming. We'll go and check that in the permissions tab, and there we go. Okay, if you don't do that, so if you, let's just say we zero this out, if you run streamthis VBS and you don't have those permissions, you'll get an error. Similarly, if you had the add permission, not the delete permission, you couldn't delete the application from the machine. So just run that again, add that in. Okay, so let's just run this. Let's just make sure that the client, I'll shut that down, that the client doesn't have the application. So we're going to stream off, add Office in. As you can see, we've got an Office file up here, not Office, project. I keep doing that. Okay, so we've got a project file here that's got no associated application because project's not actually added in to the client. So if we go stream this, double click, nope, yep, and there we go. Project's gone in. And if we hit our entry point, application streams in. Now, if the registry key here wasn't 1, we wouldn't be able to do this. We would have been able to add the file and delete it, or add the application and delete it, but we wouldn't have been able to stream it from the file. Okay, so there we go. Nope, don't want to do anything in there. That's for project managers, etc. Okay, so now we want to see it delete the application, but we're just going to have to wait a second because it's going to take a second just to stream in. I suppose I could look at editing this video, but then again, no. So let's just, while we're waiting, hit ready. So to delete the application, all you have to do is put a /d on there, and there we go. So now we should just be able to go /d, enter, // refresh, and the application's gone away again. And it's all just a little bit quicker and a little bit slicker than the MSI file. And that's it. That's all StreamThis does. Remember that you need you need the manifest XML in there, so it's got to be a relatively new sequence. And that's it. Let us know what you think. Any feedback's always welcome. Obviously positive feedback, etc., etc. Thanks guys. Bye.